Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 3 colors, one for main subjects, one for subtopics, and one for quick recall cues. This makes your brain map immediate. Once chosen, tier a small and a large sticky for the first notes. Write one concise fact on the small and a 1-sentence summary on the large. Use a 0. 5mm pen so handwriting stays legible. Set a 25-minute timer and commit to filling 5 stickies in that block to build momentum and structure. Now you organize. Place subject stickies along a page border or a wall column so each subject has a visual lane. This reduces search time. Once done, link related stickies with arrows and short codes like S1 or Q3 so you can trace ideas quickly. Make sure to condense groups every 48 hours. Turn 3-4 stickies into one summary sticky, because active compression forces retrieval and strengthens memory for exams and essay building. Finish by using your stickies to simulate timed answers. Pick a subject lane, cover extras, and answer from the stickies only. This shows gaps fast. Then archive cleared summaries into a notebook and replace any faded or messy stickies to maintain clarity. If your system becomes confusing, stop and rearrange colors or recode one section. This quick reset fixes most problems because consistent visual rules reduce cognitive load and restore study flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.